Are you looking to switch up your Twitter profile to reflect more about your interests in entertainment and recreation? Well, you're in the right place. Here's a simple guide on how to change your profile to entertainment and recreation on Twitter using your PC. First, locate your profile image at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Next, look for the Edit Profile button in the top right corner and click on it. This will take you to the editing options for your profile. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Edit Professional Profile and click on it. This will further refine editing options for your profile. Within the editing options, locate the Category section and click on it. In the search bar, type Entertainment and Recreation to find this specific category option. Select it to apply it to your profile. Lastly, don't forget to click on the Save button to finalize the changes and update your profile to reflect your interests in entertainment and recreation. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to personalize your Twitter profile to showcase your passion for entertainment and recreation. Go ahead and give it a try.